Do you want to check Twitter X bookmarks? You can find bookmarks on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To check bookmarks on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. From the menu, tap on Bookmarks. Now, a new screen will open showing all your saved posts. Here you can scroll and view all the tweets you have bookmarked. Tap on any bookmarked post to open and view it in detail. You can like, share, or remove the bookmark from the post if needed.